Here we've got Xiaomi Redmi Note 11S, and let me show you how to change keyboard dictionary on this device. So first of all, just open some area where you can input a text. It can be, for example, messages. Tap on Start Chat, and here you've got the current keyboard dictionary. To change the language, click on Settings, pick Languages, tap on Add Keyboard, and select the one that you would like to apply. As you can see, the list is super long, and let me just look for it via search panel. And let me pick Hebrew because the change would be truly visible. Just remove unnecessary language, go back, and as you can see, the keyboard dictionary has been changed. So this is it, that will be all. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up.